In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to flip text in Adobe Illustrator, whether it's a regular text object or text on a path. Let's dive right in. First, when working with a simple text object, you'll want to start by selecting it with the Selection tool. This is accessed by hitting the V key on your keyboard. This trusty tool is practically your best friend in Illustrator, helping you select and manipulate your creations with ease. Flipping the text object is as easy as flipping any other object in your project. You just need to navigate to the Object menu at the top of your screen. From there, hover your mouse over the Transform option and then click on Reflect. This opens up a new dialog box where you have the choice to flip your text horizontally or vertically, just like you would see in a mirror. Once you've selected your desired axis, hit OK to apply the flip. If you wish to create a flipped duplicate while keeping the original, you can simply click the Copy button. This option is particularly useful when you want to experiment with placement or design without losing your starting point. Alternatively, for a more hands-on approach, you can utilize the Reflect tool. It's conveniently accessed with the O key. With this method, you click a reference point in your artboard to set the reflection axis. By clicking and dragging, you can flip your text object. It's a dynamic way to achieve the same effect and gives you manual control over the process, allowing for precision that might be necessary in more creative applications. Now, if you have text on a path and want to flip it, there's a slightly different approach. Begin by selecting the text that's on the path. Once that's done, navigate to the Type menu. You'll want to go to the Type on a Path submenu and select Type on a Path options. In the dialog box that appears, you'll see a handy flip checkbox. By selecting it, your text will flip to the opposite side of the path. Simply click OK to apply these changes. Another useful technique for flipping text on a path involves dragging the small center bracket that appears directly on the path. By moving this bracket across the path, you can manually flip the text. This approach is not only intuitive, but allows for quick adjustments without reopening any menus or dialog boxes. These techniques will enhance your workflow, granting you flexibility in text manipulation that plays a critical role in many design tasks. Whether you are adjusting your text for creative layouts or aiming for a mirrored visual effect, these methods ensure your text alignments are exactly how you envision them.